Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with the Confetti Wishes card making kit bundle. In this kit you will receive 8 cards with 8 envelopes, these set of cardstock stickers, as well as a collection of chipboard pieces. They all have a matte gold foil accent on some of the chipboard and cardstock stickers. And here I'm actually just going to follow the first 4 cards and create a simple set of greeting cards for you. These are all birthday cards, and they are absolutely simple. If you want to keep this quick and easy and create these colorful, beautiful creations, it is so simple. But if you want to elevate your card and do something a little different, we can do that as well. So the first 4 cards I'm going to make for you here today, I'm just going to follow the instructions and show you how easy it is to create this card that they have laid out for you. And the thing that I really like about these cards is that they not only are good for women, which it's really easy to make cards for your girlfriends and your sister, etc. But to make cards for men is tricky. But one thing that I like about this collection is that it has these little antique cards. My dad has a birthday coming up, and this is a perfect, simple, easy card for him. And yeah, I think that will be great. It's nice and colorful. It's got a little bit of classic car on there. And it could also be great for kids because they're so colorful. So really very versatile collection. And it's as simple as following the instructions. They don't even have written instructions. They're that simple. They just show you pictures. Take this sticker, add this chipboard to this card, done. And I'm not even really speeding up the video for you this time. This is a practically real-time video. I've sped it up to twice the normal speed because they were so simple to create. I thought I would just leave it and let you see really what it's like to make these cards. I changed up the sentiments a little bit on this one. I added a couple more and incorporated all of the colors in the card here. So that's something that you could do. You could customize this as you see fit. There's so many extra pieces that you could really change things up and still have plenty of leftovers to make other cards with, even just with a plain white cardstock background. And I'm going to create throughout the week. I will create some more cards. I didn't want to use up the entire kit, just showing you the cards that they have laid out as the examples. That way I could have some supplies to make some quick cards, and I think they'll still be pretty quick even if you elevate them and add maybe some enamel dots or a little flower or ribbon or some bow of twine from your stash. Like I could see just adding a few little elements of texture in behind some of the pieces. The other thing I wanted to mention is I quite often use my glue gun to make sure that things are properly adhered. And with this, I didn't have to. The chipboard and cardstock stickers stuck really well. So I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys coming by. Stay tuned this week for some more cards created with this collection. If you're interested in this kit, go to polkadotmailbox.com and get one for yourself today. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.